Today, guys, I'm coming at you with another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So if you saw my last Stitch Fix, I did request some cruise wear, something fun for dinner aboard the ship, not really for out in the ports and things. And so I was underwhelmed by everything that the stylist sent. So I actually sent everything back. So if you are wondering what I kept from the last box, I sent it all back. When I went to go check out, they did offer the styling fee to be waived again if I did a back-to-back. So I thought, well, let me see if she can do a little bit better with some cruise attire, some fun cruise attire, which is what I asked for. And so I went ahead and accepted another one to waive the styling fee. So I got another back-to-back box. And then during the preview, I did find 3 of the items that I thought I would keep. And then I mentioned to maybe add some pieces that would go with that so I could have 3 complete outfits for the cruise. So let's see how she did and unbox this Stitch Fix together. Real quickly, if you're not familiar, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box. You can determine how often that you want to receive these boxes. It is a $20 styling fee, but if you do keep anything from the box out of the 5 items, then the $20 goes toward that at checkout. And if you do get all 5 of them, then you do get a 25% discount. So sometimes if you only have 4 out of 5 that you like, it's actually cheaper to just keep all 5 of them than to send one of them back. So let's see what's in this box this time. So you have the prepaid shipping package to put anything that you don't want back. And then you have your styling card and the price sheet in here, which I'll put to the side, and we'll go over the pricing when I do the try on. So here's what's inside. So here it is, lots of fun colors it looks like. So I do know the green is one of the things that I kept, and that this is a dress that she had sent during the preview. And that's another thing, they do send a preview now of I think about 9 or 10 items. And then if there's anything that you want to keep, you can just hit to keep in that up to 5 items. And if there's less than 5 items you want to keep, then they'll replace the other items with something new. These are always so fun to open up. So it looks like the first thing is going to be this top. Now, I just want to preface this. I always state in my notes to the stylist that I prefer solids. I do not care for floral patterns, and patterns are not really my favorite. On the last 2 previews that my stylist sent me, everything was floral on it. So after I looked at the preview this time and saw 3 items that I wanted to keep, there was a pair of shorts that I'd asked for a top to match it, and then there was a shirt that I'd asked for some bottoms to match, and then there was a dress. So I could have maybe 3 complete outfits to take on the cruise with me. So this is the top that I did not see in the preview. So we're gonna see what this looks like on, but already I'm a little bit irritated because I have said many times I don't like floral patterns. So this is the crossback tee in indigo size medium. So it does have this cute little like cross tee. The material is really soft on this, so we'll see what it looks like. I am going to hold my judgment until I try it on. And then here is a green top. Now this was in the preview that I actually accepted to keep. I like the little neckline on this one, and I loved the green color. So this is from Staccato. It's the Henrik Drape Detail Sleeveless Knit Top in green, size medium. It has a little bit of ruching, so I'm hoping this is not gonna be real tight fitting and it's gonna hide that mommy pouch I have. And then this is a dress. And I love the pattern on this one, but the main thing I like about this is it is from Maggie London. And if you have never tried Maggie London or London Times dresses, they fit so nicely. I love them. So this is the Maggie London Nicola knit dress in navy, size 8. So I'm really excited to try this one on. Like I said, I don't like patterns a lot, but this one I really liked, and it has this little smocking, so I'm hoping this will be really flattering. And then it looks like the bottoms that I had asked for to match the green top. So I'm thinking that's what she was coming from with this. So it's from Democracy, which I love because it has the Absolution technology. The Michelle Absolution Capri Straight Leg Pant in tan, size 8. And then here are the shorts that I accepted on the preview. I liked that they were a pull-on style, and this color was really gorgeous. So this is from Tribal. So this is the Tribal Lola High Rise Pull-On Short, magenta, size 8. So now that you've seen everything, let's try it on. So I was really anxious to try the dress on first because I love this brand. So it does have this little smocking, which I thought was gonna be all the way across here, but it's just a little bit right here at the front part right here. So the pattern is okay. It doesn't have pockets. This is a nice lightweight material, so it's not cotton, but it's a very slinky feeling material. Nice and lightweight, so it's gonna be perfect for those hot summer days. It hits right above the knee, and on 5'5" for reference, and then it's got this V-neck line, and then there's a little bit of that smocking that goes along on the shoulder as well. So that's really nice how it has that. So I love the kind of fit and flare look of this. That's why I love the Maggie London dresses. They have a lot of those fit and flare that just really hides anything that you want it to hide, and it's really comfortable. So I've got a lot of room in the waist. This is gonna be a very comfortable dress. This one was actually one that I had saved, so I was really excited to see it in my preview. So this is the Maggie London Nicola knit dress, and it's $68. So here's outfit number 2. So this is that floral top. Guys, I hate this print. It just is so unflattering on me, but it's so super soft. And then I couldn't tell what to do with the top. So I kind of front tucked it, or like did a little French tuck, because like when I have it out, it's nice and flowy, but it just looks sloppy, kind of frumpy. So I decided to just try to take it in, see if that looked any better. Back of it's cute too. It's got this little crisscross in the back, which makes it really cute. But I can't get over how soft this is. This is a really nice, soft top, but I can't do this floral pattern. But the shorts, I do like the shorts. And when I was putting them on, it had almost like a little mesh right here in the front, almost like a tummy control. So I don't know if these were meant to be a tummy control, but they do have that in the front, but they're not tight or compressed like you would think of, like with the Spanx or something like that. So it does have pockets, but they are stitched, so I'm gonna leave them stitched till I decide whether or not I'm gonna keep these. They're just a pull-on style, but this color is really pretty. I like this color. The length is a little bit longer maybe than what I'm normally used to. I think this may be a 5-inch. I do like a 4.5 inch. I know a 1/2 inch does really make a difference on the length of your legs and kind of how it either makes you look shorter or longer. So the top is the Tanya crossback tee, $50. $50 is a lot for a tee that I don't really like that much. And the bottoms are the Lola high-rise pull-on shorts, $48. So the shorts are cheaper than the shirt is. Oh, this is such a mess, you guys. So I actually saw the top in the preview, and I love the color and the neckline. This is just not doing anything for me. The neckline does not look very flattering on me. Plus, it's very tight. And the bottoms, which usually I'm all about democracy and their absolution technology, and this is the size that I always wear, is cutting into me and creating a muffin top or even a full can of busted biscuits. This is just not flattering at all. So the top is pretty color. I don't think sizing up to a large is gonna matter because I don't think it looks really good up here at the top either. The pants, I have stressed every single note. I want crops or cargo wide leg. I don't like the straight leg because a lot of time with the straight legs, it makes my thighs look even bigger than they really are. So I've always asked for the wide leg to kind of just make them wide all the way down. I guess I'm being a little bit picky, but I mean, the first few times when I started back with Stitch Fix after 3 years of being vacant from them, I thought the stylist was really listening, and she's sending me some things that I have on my saved, but the other things that are going with it are just things that I have either put in my style profile I don't like, or when I've seen this style preview, I'm very vocal about giving them feedback on everything. So when I check out, the things I don't keep, I give feedback on why. The things I keep, I give feedback on what I like about them so that they can stay in their notes. So I do know that the stylist is paying attention because I read her note before I tried all of this on, and she did mention too some shoes that I had bought in the freestyle to match with these. So I know she's paying attention, but I don't understand why she keeps sending me floral prints when I specifically don't ask for them and tell her I don't like floral prints. But in all fairness, I did accept this in the preview. The top is a no, the bottoms are a no. The top on the shorts look is a no. So the only two things I really like out of this is the dress, love Maggie London, and those pull-on style shorts, I do like those. This top is from Pink Clover, it's $38. The bottoms are from Democracy, they're $78. So altogether, the total of this box is $282. If I kept all of them and got the 25% off discount, it would put the total to $211.50. The only thing that I truly, truly like out of this, I think, is the dress. And a lot of times I can get Maggie London at Nordstrom Rack for really cheap. So I may check out Nordstrom Rack, see if they have anything similar before I check out on this one to pay the $68 for that dress. So tell me, guys, what you think about this. Am I just being really picky? And I'm wondering if I should give Stitch Fix a little bit of a break because this is 2 fixes in a row and they've both been within a month of each other that I've asked for fun cruise wear and I've got lackluster things. Like this is not something that I would pick out of my closet to take on the cruise with me. I'm not sure if like my idea of fun cruise wear is different than everybody else's idea of fun cruise wear, but I think these last 2 boxes where that was specifically what I asked for, I think it really missed the mark in my opinion. The only thing that I thought was really good out of these 2 was that dress, and that was something that I had saved. This is fix number 55. So let me know what you think about this box, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.